thing I hear when people consider starting this business is, I don't have time. And trust me, I get it. Life gets busy. Between work, family, and everything else, it feels like there's barely enough time in the day as it is. But here's what I realized. It's not about having time. It's about making time for what really matters. I used to believe that unless I had hours of free time to dedicate, I won't be able to do this business. But then I asked myself, if I keep waiting for the perfect time, how much longer will I stay in the same routine? The truth is, most of us don't have time. We create time for what's important. And when something has the potential to change your life, your finances, and your future, even small pockets of time can make a big difference. So here's what helped me shift my mindset. I looked at where my time was actually going. Scrolling on my phone or watching TV, I realized that if I swapped just 30 minutes a day, I could build something that would give me more freedom in the long run. And reminded myself why I started. I wasn't looking for another thing to add to my plate. I was looking for a way to reclaim my time and build something that would eventually give me more of it. So, if I don't have time has been your reason for waiting, I encourage you to ask yourself, is it truly a lack of time or is it fear of starting new? Because here's the thing, your future self is waiting on the choices you make today. The question isn't, do I have time? The real question is, how much longer am I willing to wait for the life I truly want? Drop time in the comments to learn how to start your own digital business that can eventually give you the freedom to spend your time the way you choose.